Piranhas are known for their razor-sharp teeth. These fishermen decide to put that notion to the test with this toothy fella they happen to catch while out on the river. Watch as it makes short work of the stick.
Yeah? Yeah?
Get in your... It's a bear! Get in your car. Wow.
It's extremely rare to catch a glimpse of a giant squid, much less one that's still alive. Here's an example of a living giant squid that washed ashore outside Izumo City in Japan. Thank goodness there was someone around with a smartphone to capture this rare sight for all of us to witness. Here's something you don't see every day. A video of a sea iguana swimming around while these divers capture him on film. This handsome fella is very unique, as sea iguanas are marine reptiles that can forage in the sea. They subsist almost entirely on algae, and they're found exclusively on the Galapagos Islands. Not your average pedestrians. This bicyclist out for a ride one day came across something he didn't expect. A couple of moose out for a leisurely stroll. He does what we all should do in this situation. Get off the bike and give the moose the ride away. Without a care in the world, the moose continue on their way as if everything that just happened was completely normal. Personally, I'd like to take my hat off to the moose for using the sidewalk. Although snakes are best known for their antics on land, they're actually pretty good swimmers. These boaters are about to learn upfront and personal just how good a swimmer snakes really are. A couple of friends out for a snowmobile ride in the New Hampshire backcountry came upon a curious moose that popped out of the forest to check out what they were up to. Apparently, the moose was really into tagging along and having a good time. Now these guys can say they've actually been snowmobiling with a real live moose. The visitors to this wildlife park get more than they bargained for when this fearless lion decided to jump in the tram and join the tour. My cat at home does this stuff all the time, but he's nowhere near as big as this fella. Good kitty. Please don't eat the tourists.
Кто не хочет, может выйти. Дяде повезло.
If you're gonna build your house in the backcountry outside Butte, Montana, you're gonna have to deal with the occasional herd of elk making their way through your neighborhood. Here's a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a lot of Siberian tigers. Notice that the car has safety bars all around protecting the windows and the tires. That's a good idea. I sure wouldn't want to be stranded in that car surrounded by maneaters.
Well, you would if you're stuck on those up my backside, I'd go Hampshire
Okay,
too.
now just pull up on him like you did that. Oh!
Oh no! Jesus Christ! There you go, boys.
Okay. Wind up.
Back in the day, sailors mistook manatees for mermaids. While we know that's not true today, this gentle creature is out demonstrating their curious nature by investigating this strange mammal wearing a bathing suit and a snorkel.
Sit him!
What's this? It's an art project. Okay, I like it. Picasso. Yeah.
This grizzly bear is coming a little too close for comfort, and these Alaskan fishermen are getting a bit nervous. As you can see, one of them has their bear repellent spray ready to use. Luckily, this bear thinks twice and runs off in search of another fishing spot.
Go on, bear. Should I spray a little bit? Go on, bear.
When you think of lions, I bet you think of Africa. Well, here's an example of an Asiatic lion from this video filmed in the Gir National Park in western India. Asiatic lions once roamed throughout the entire Middle East, but are now limited to just a few hundred left in the wild, found only in this park and the surrounding wilderness. These Canadian campers came back to their cabin to find this bear trying to break in. I looked it up. The penalty for breaking and entering in Canada can be imprisonment for up to 10 years. I don't know, buddy. Think twice. They've got you on video.
No, but... Hey!
Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
He's going inside. He's in the building.
Hey! Get out of there!
Check it out. I'm about to pet a bald eagle. Oh yeah, that's super badass right there.
No? Sounded like that. One right. No? Okay, don't scratch where you try.
Cheetahs are well known as the fastest animal on land, but this cheetah doesn't look like he's in a hurry to go anywhere. Why run when you can stick around and get some chin rubs?
Good news, it deflated.
What in the world? Oh my gosh. There we go. It's deflating. Yeah.
If you're out for a walk in Australia, you just might come across a koala bear like this lady did. Being the kind-hearted soul she is, she helped this little guy safely off the road.
You have a nice evening. Okay.
Driving along one day, this lady happened to spot a bobcat kitten alone on the side of the road. Cute as they are, I don't recommend taking one home. I guarantee you that Mama Bobcat is out there somewhere looking for her lost baby.
What are you doing out here by yourself? I don't know. Hi. You're so skinny. Hi.
3 big boys. Just sit here. Just be careful. Trap. Massage that bar. Whoa. 2 big boys.
Here we see a driver that has come upon a pack of 4 coyotes that appear to be interested in this couple out walking their dogs. Not sure what the coyotes have in mind, but this couple doesn't want to stay around to find out.
They look like they're interested in these dogs, and they kill small dogs sometimes. These guys. Ha! Get!
This group of Canadian fishermen just happened to come upon a gray wolf in a very uncharacteristic environment. For some reason, this wolf thought that now would be a good time to go for a swim. Why? Only the wolf knows for sure. Let's just be happy that someone had their phone handy to film it for us.
Watch him get out now. Hey, don't get me too close.
Thank you for watching another installment of Viral Monkey. If you like what you saw, please leave a like and subscribe for more super cool videos from Viral Monkey. See you next time.